The butterfly is often seen as a simple and delicate insect, yet behind its beauty lies a series of astonishing biological phenomena that continue to fascinate scientists. This small creature represents one of the most extraordinary examples of complexity and transformation in the natural world. Every stage of its life reveals mechanisms of remarkable precision that make the butterfly far more than just a colorful insect. One of the most astonishing aspects of the butterfly is its life transformation. Unlike many animals that grow gradually, butterflies undergo a dramatic process known as metamorphosis. The butterfly begins its life as a tiny egg placed carefully on a plant. From this egg emerges a caterpillar whose only mission is to eat and grow. It consumes large quantities of leaves and stores energy for the most extraordinary stage of its existence. When the caterpillar reaches maturity, it forms a protective structure called a chrysalis. Inside this seemingly motionless shell, one of the most incredible transformations in biology takes place. The body of the caterpillar is almost completely reorganized, and entirely new structures develop, including wings, compound eyes, and reproductive organs. Within days or weeks, a completely different creature emerges: the butterfly. The wings of a butterfly themselves represent a masterpiece of microscopic engineering. At first glance they appear simply colorful, but under magnification they are covered with thousands of tiny overlapping scales. These scales interact with light in complex ways, creating brilliant patterns and iridescent colors. In many species, the colors are not produced by pigments alone but by microscopic structures that bend and reflect light, producing vivid blues, reds, and metallic shades rarely seen elsewhere in nature. Butterflies also possess a remarkable visual system. Their eyes are made of thousands of tiny lenses forming what scientists call compound eyes. This structure allows them to detect movement quickly and to see a wide range of colors. Many butterflies can even perceive ultraviolet light, a part of the spectrum invisible to humans. Flowers often contain ultraviolet patterns that guide butterflies directly to nectar sources, forming a precise interaction between plant and pollinator. Another surprising ability is their sense of taste and smell. Butterflies can actually taste with their feet. When they land on a plant, sensory receptors in their legs immediately analyze chemical signals to determine whether the plant is suitable for feeding or for laying eggs. This allows female butterflies to choose the exact plant species that will provide food for their future caterpillars. Despite their fragile appearance, some butterflies are capable of extraordinary journeys. A famous example is the monarch butterfly, which performs one of the longest migrations known among insects. These butterflies travel thousands of kilometers across continents, navigating using environmental cues such as the position of the Sun and Earth's magnetic field. What makes this journey even more remarkable is that several generations of butterflies participate in completing a single migration cycle. Beyond their beauty and fascinating biology, butterflies play an essential ecological role. As they move from flower to flower in search of nectar, they transport pollen between plants, contributing to pollination and the reproduction of many plant species. Their presence is also considered an indicator of environmental health, as butterfly populations are sensitive to changes in climate and habitat. The butterfly therefore represents a remarkable combination of delicacy and complexity. From its dramatic transformation to the microscopic architecture of its wings and its surprising sensory abilities, every detail reveals an extraordinary level of biological organization. What appears at first to be a simple insect is in reality a living demonstration of the intricate mechanisms that shape life in the natural world.